Parsimonious. Very unwilling to spend money. Example: the parsimonious man refused to buy a new coat. Notoriety. Being famous for something bad. Example: the criminal gained notoriety for his daring escape. Slanging. Using slang or informal language. Example: the teenagers were slanging back and forth. Dissembler. Someone who hides their true feelings or intentions. Example: she was a dissembler, never showing her true emotions. Punk. A young troublemaker or rebel. Example: the old man called the noisy teenagers punks. Infatuate. Be inspired with intense but short-lived passion or admiration. Example: he was infatuated with his new girlfriend. Taunt. Tease or make fun of someone. Example: the bullies taunted him about his clothes. Deceiver. A person who tricks or lies to others. Example: he was known as a deceiver and couldn't be trusted. Persecute. Treat someone unfairly or cruelly over a long period. Example: many people have been persecuted for their beliefs. Humiliate. Make someone feel ashamed or foolish. Example: the teacher humiliated the student in front of the class. Absurd. Very silly or unreasonable. Example: his suggestion to build a bridge to the moon was absurd. Resentment. Feeling of anger or displeasure about something unfair. Example: he felt resentment towards his boss for the unfair criticism. Nettle. Irritate or annoy someone. Example: her constant complaints nettled him. Zealous. Having or showing strong enthusiasm. Example: she is a zealous supporter of animal rights. Bafflement. State of being confused or perplexed. Example: his strange behavior left everyone in bafflement. Meritorious. Deserving reward or praise. Example: she received an award for her meritorious service. Exaggerate. Make something seem larger or more important than it is. Example: he tends to exaggerate his achievements. Flattery. Excessive and insincere praise, often used to manipulate or impress someone. Example: she was uncomfortable with the flattery from her co-workers. Agitation. Feeling of anxiety or nervous excitement. Example: the news caused widespread agitation in the community. Indignant. Feeling or showing anger at something unjust. Example: she was indignant at the unfair treatment. Allure. The quality of being powerfully attractive. Example: the allure of the city drew many people to it. Lethal. Deadly or fatal. Example: the snake's bite was lethal. Insanity. State of being seriously mentally ill. Example: the movie portrayed the character's descent into insanity. Canard. A false or unfounded rumor. Example: the newspaper published a canard about the politician. Infidel. A person who does not believe in a particular religion. Example: he was labeled an infidel by the religious leaders. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.